Okay, welcome back to Wickerson Studios. Michael Wickerson here. Really made some leaps and bounds today, and all I did was go in. I was interested in setting up a Python environment for advanced Python machine learning uh, for library installs in Blender 4.2. So I've put that up on wickersonstudios.com. I've actually put a link to this GPT transcript, so you can follow right through and get things set up for yourself. And as soon as you do that, I was able to, and you will be as well, um, make some machine learning animations for Blender, which is basically what I did. So sorry, let's click this one. Just taking a second to load. What? Uh, Hang on. Hope I didn't change the name of it. What? Let's give that one a second to load up. There we go. So, what I did was I went and I said, just teach me about machine learning via animations, and that's exactly what it did. So it wrote 20 things from neural networks all the way through, like I've been doing in the past sites for 20 different scripts, all the way through to transfer learning demonstrations that I asked it to, clear geometries before it went. And then I'm just walking through each one of these. Number one, neural network visualization. So I've got that over here for opening. I might save this one. You see I have the neural network opening. The next one, if I reverse the order of this, will be training process animations, then decision tree exploration, data flow with pipelines, and then I really got into the gradient descent, which was actually really nice. And that's the one that I've ended up showing right here as it's optimized and running. And I'm just making a little game of it, making it more interesting as we go. And so I just plug one on, and I just kind of debugged as we go. You can see how long those transcripts get. And by the end, you've got some pretty nice scripts. This one's over 500 lines of code. And it just finds the gradient descent of four spheres as they react as colliders and show their tracing paths. So that's a lot. I will start to make more videos as I go and when I make things interesting. If you're interested, all this is available on Patreon, Michael Wickerson, and at wickersonstudios.com. Thanks for watching.